In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1. L. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is come to. Meaning: recover consciousness, reach, arrive at, befall or happen. Sentences: he came to when I gave him a jolt. We came out when the party came to an end. They came to an agreement after discussion. May nothing bad come to you. Number 2. Call round. Meaning: pay a short visit. Sentences: I will call round to see you again. She called round to check her mail. Number 3. Cough up. Meaning: give reluctantly, lose by one's own mistake. Sentences: he coughed up $1 on her request. They coughed up the match in the last minute. Number 4. Come along. Meaning: accompany, progress, make appearance. Sentences: it will be better if you come along. This form is coming along well. Call the person who comes along. Number 5. Come apart. Meaning: break or separate. Sentences: the broken frame will come apart if you handle it roughly. A front wheel of his car came apart when it collided with a tree. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.